Hi, I want to quickly show you around our class. Um, Over here is where you will mostly be navigating. Modules is where you will find our weekly instruction and assignments. And I'll just click there right now to show you the first week. Here it is. And in order to move on to the next week, you need to visit each one of these pages and get 100% on the syllabus quiz. So there's that. So let's go back to home. Announcements is where you will go to check old announcements. The homepage will show the two or three most recent, but if you need to look at an older announcement, you can click there. There's a list of the people in the class here. Grades is where you go to check your grades and your assignments. It's all listed here, and over here you can see are the categories, the weighted categories in the class. So, well, you'll understand better after you read the first week module how this all works. All right, but this is what it looks like. Perusal we'll talk about soon enough. It's our annotation application. Discussions are all going to be stacked up here for easy access. And NetTutor, I don't think we'll be using it a ton, but it's here and I'll talk about it later. Last thing to talk about, inbox. It's where I contact you, you can contact me, and you can contact your group members. I didn't mention that I'm going to put you in groups of about 10 for the whole semester. A lot of your assignments will be done in your group, and it's just a little more friendly, smaller group to get to know and to support and be supported by this semester.